when they're ripe and good to eat. I'm in spicy chilies, strawberry jams and roses. You'll find me on a fire engine, rushing down the street. I'm in lollipops and lobsters and cloud noses. Red is all around me, red below and red above. Red gets your attention, red for danger, red for love. Oh, I'm red, and I'm red, red, ready. I'm the only colour you need. I'm red, and I'm red, red, ready. So come along and follow my lead. It's time to fill this empty space and make the world a redder place. Red is in my soul. I'm red and I'm ready to roll. You'll find me in red cherries, red apples and red pants. I'm in ruby red, red velvet and red jellies. You'll find me in red peppers and red poppies and red ants. I'm in red balloons, red ribbons and red wellies. I'm red and I'm red, red, ready. I'm the only colour you need. I'm red and I'm red, red, ready. So come along and follow my lead. It's time to fill this empty space and make the world a redder place. Red is in my soul. I'm red and I'm ready. I'm red, red, ready. I'm red and I'm ready to... Hey! Now I'm seeing red! Can you feel the beat? Can you feel the energy? Get up on your feet. Feel the orangey energy. I put the orange into orange juice. I'm orange and I'm on the loose. You'll find me in your carrot soup. And have you seen baked beans? I'm in jumping pumpkins with toothy smiles each year on Halloween. Can you feel the beat? Can you feel the energy? Get up on your feet. Feel the orangey energy. I put the orange into orange juice. I'm orange and I'm on the loose. Hello, Miss Tiger. Ready to race? Yay! But first, I need some more orange energy! Okay, let's go! Ready, steady, go! Go, 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 go! Yay! Yeah. A tie! Can you feel the beat? Can you feel the energy? Get up on your feet. Feel the orangey energy. I put the orange into orange juice. I'm orange and I'm on the loose. I'm orange and I'm on the loose.
I'm so bright you'll need your shades. I turn lemons into lemonade. Hello, I'm yellow. Smiling, shining, super fun. Come and join me in the sun. I'm happy, I'm yellow. Bright and bubbly, feeling fine. Today's the day, it's party time with... Oh! Yay! It's a map! A treasure hunt will be the perfect yellow party game. Turn right at the yellow digger. Turn left by the large lemon. Large lemon. You think that would be easy to spot? Whoa! Big yellow lemon! X marks the spot. A big yellow X. The treasure's buried here. Yellow! Oh, phew. This is going to take ages to dig up. great idea. We found the treasure chest. What's inside? Oh, a yellow cake. Perfect for a yellow party. Hello, I'm yellow. Smiling, shining, super great. Do you want a slice of yellow cake? I'm happy. I'm yellow. Bright and bubbly, feeling fine. I hope you've had a happy time with yellow.
When you find a lizard on a boulder or a stick insect hiding in the trees or a gecko up the wall, you'll find green is in them all. I'm in lots of little living things like these. When you're swinging through the canopy or down on the ground, there's one important colour you'll see all around. Green is life. Life is green. I'm in every four-leaf clover and every runner bean. I'm in every living plant you've ever seen. Green is life. Life is green. I'm in green apples and green peppers and green peas. I'm in cactuses and cabbages and caterpillars too. I'm in cucumbers, crocodiles, pickles and parakeets, lime and lettuce, and look! There's a lily pad just for you. Still not found your family, little frog? Maybe I need to colour the pond green. You found them! Green and all together. Green is life. Life is green. I'm in every four-leaf clover and every runner bean. I'm in every living plant you've ever seen. Green is life. Life is green. Green is life. Life is green. Naturally.
Into the blue, it's a beautiful view. Even the jellyfish agree. And now I'm bopping along, playing peekaboo. And nothing's bothering me. There's a blue shrimp, a starfish, and some seahorses too. All kinds of new blue friends for me. I found a chest full of sapphires and an old blue shoe, diving in the deep blue sea. Everything is cool, everything is calm. I may as well let down my sail. Floating with the tide, in it for the ride. Whoa! I'm riding on the back of a big blue whale. Yeah! Here we go. Sometimes things don't go your way. You feel blue, and that's okay. But even when you run aground, things can turn around. Tomorrow is another day, and out of the blue, you've got a brand new crew to pull you through. Who needs a sail when you've got your own whale, making the journey trouble-free? Bye-bye, little blue boat, now that I've told my tale, nothing's bothering me.
Fill my purple palace with a million purple things. I'd be the king of colours, for purple is the colour of kings. This is all very nice, all very purple, but I need to imagine something bigger, bolder, purpler. Imagine a purple forest with purple leaves on the trees. There'd be purple toadstools and purple toads, purple beehives for purple bees, purple clouds in the purple sky, and the rain would be purple, of course. And I'd ride through purple puddles and ponds on my very own royal purple horse. A paradise of purple, as far as the eye can see, and everything in Purple Land would be perfectly purple like me. I'd play in my purple palace and run in the purple halls, with purple rugs and purple drapes and purple paintings on the walls. I'd have my own purple playground with purple slides and swings. I'd splash in my own purple swimming pool wearing purple water wings. I'd fill my purple palace with 1,000,000 purple things. I'd be the king of colours, for purple is the colour of kings and queens. Yes, purple is the colour of kings. Oh, imagine that! The world is a much more colourful place when you use your imagination!
We're missing 2 colours.
Us! Every rainbow needs indigo and violet. Oh!
Oh, what's going on here?
Purple!
I imagine you're... Oh! New colours! Wait, have I seen you before?
I'm indigo. I'm like blue, but a bit more purple. I'm like you, purple, but a bit more blue.
Oh, and what's this?
A rainbow!
Ah! Oh, then I imagine this must be a rainbow lever. Oh, crumbs! What's happening?
Wow!
We've unlocked another puzzle.
Maybe this one will lead us to a real rainbow. Oh, we'll finally see one.
I imagine you all need to stand on a stone.
But we're missing 2 colours. We can't finish the puzzle.
Don't worry, we've got friends that can help. Mixing time!
Red and yellow mix to make orange.
Yellow and...
Blue, mix to make...
Green!
We need your help to solve this rainbow puzzle. Everyone, stand on your stones.
Red, orange,
Yellow.
Green!
Blue.
Indigo! Violet!
Boots at a party? Oh, how imaginative.
They're party boots!
Oh,
Everyone, close your eyes. Okay, Black, your turn.
Hey!
Oh, hello. Who are you?
These are my new friends, Black and White.
ah, nice to meet me, I'm sure.
Are you the ones who've been magically changing our colours?
Yes, it's what they do. White can make colours lighter, and black can make colours darker. Let me join you, Colourblocks.
Cool. So now we have
Light colours. Our regular bold and bright colours. And dark colours.
colours.
And there's one more colour trick to show you outside.
Oh! Ah, look at this, everyone! Exciting! Look at all these different shades of colours they've made! Light colours! Bright colours! Dark colours! Lots of colours! Me! Pick a partner, up to you! Who's it gonna be? Who?
It's obviously going to be me. I'm next to Red round the wheel, and I have the best royal dance moves.
Pick, green!
But red's not similar to green at all.
Green is on the other side of the colour wheel. You're opposites.
Green is opposite red. But that's who I want. Green!
If you're sure.
Wow, their two colours really stand out.
They look so bold together.
They're opposites, but they do go well together. Now I want to pick someone similar. Purple!
Oh, about time.
Time for the next track.
Opposite. Ooh, I see.
Ooh.
Opposite.
Let's go!
Similar. Oh, yeah.
Similar! All right! Yeah! Let's go! Opposite! Ooh.
Opposite! Opposite!
Similar and opposite!
Big splat! T-splats! Big splat! T-splats! Big splat! Repeat! T-splats!
Time to judge your patterns. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Oh, I like that one. Ooh, you followed the brief well. Nice. Haha. I have finally decided which pattern I like best. My favourite pattern is... all of them!
All of them?
That's right! They're all wonderful! So why don't we put them all together? What? Make one big super-duper mega pattern?
Wow, I think that's a great idea.
Let's make patterns! Woohoo! T-splats! Big splats!
Waves!
Stripes.
Big splats!
Waves!
Spot!
Stripes.
Big splat! T-splats! Big splat!
You were right, Purple. This really is the best pattern ever!
And there are lots more we can invent. Let's get patterning! Oh no! Which way to Grandma's house? Red and
Yellow, mix to make
orange! Run, run, we're against the clock. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread block.
What are you doing here? This is Little Red Riding Hood, not Little Orange Gingerbread Block.
Well, I know the way to Grandma's, so you can either follow me or stay lost in the forest. You're too fast!
Wait for us!
Goldilocks, the gingerbread block, and Little Red Riding Hood arrived at Grandma's house to find the big blue wolf, but no Grandma.
Big bad wolf! Did you eat Grandma?
No, I don't eat grandmas. I eat blueberries.
Huh?
I'm the big blue wolf. I'm not a bad wolf.
Well, where is Grandma?
Huh.
Wait a minute. Who is Grandma?
Oh, I know. I shall play Grandma.
My Grandma! What a purple face you've got!
All the better to... Is it time for the party yet?
Oh no, I forgot! The balloon popped, the strawberries were eaten, and now the cake is gone! I've ruined Grandma's party! It's okay, Red! We have everything we need here. This is the most colourful party ever!
And they all lived happily ever after.
Red goes first again! Orange is a bit red, so I think it's me next. Whoa!
And orange is a bit yellow. So now it's me.
Now who goes next?
Green is close to yellow, so naturally I sit here.
And green has blue in it, so this seat is for me.
We've saved the best till last. Purple goes in between blue and red.
6 colours on a colour wheel! Red, orange,
Yellow.
green,
Blue!
Purple! Wow, this looks brilliant.
Yay! It's cyan and magenta. My printing crew.
We love a spin.
Room for 2 more?
Red means stop!
We're going to need a bigger wheel.
An 8-colour wheel.
Look! Who wants to pull the next lever? I do!
We have to find the right places for magenta and cyan.
Well, I look a bit like blue, so I should go... here.
Yeah!
And I look a bit red, so I should go here.
Oh, yes!
Okay, everyone, take your seats.
Red! Orange!
Yellow.
Green! Cyan!
Blue!
Purple! Magenta!
8 colours on a colour wheel!
I'd like you to meet my friends, Cyan and Magenta!
New colours!
And they're so bright.
Hi, I'm Cyan. I'm pretty chilled, apart from on the racetrack because I live to race.
Cyan, you look a bit like blue.
I'm like blue, but I'm different. I'm Cyan.
Cool.
Hiya, I'm Magenta. Whoa! And I'm easy to spot. I'm always thrilled to fix things up, especially my racing cartridge.
Oh, you look a bit like me, Magenta! Exciting!
Well, I suppose I'm a bit reddish, but I'm a different colour. I'm Magenta. You won't forget me in a hurry.
Hang on a minute, Yellow. How did you know about the printing zone?
Yes, how come you know and we don't?
Oh, I've been part of the printing crew for ages. Speeding around in my cartridge makes me super happy.
Printing crew? Cartridge?
Let's show them how it's done, printing crew.
Cyan!
Magenta.
Yellow!
The
Printing crew!
Ready to print?
Let's do this. Woohoo!
Oh, they can make red!
Green.
And blue.
Oh!
Cyan!
And magenta.
It's blue, but a bit different from me. Cool.
We can make lots of different blues, even blue like you.
No, green.
Cyan!
And yellow!
Hang on a minute. I thought yellow mixes with me to make green.
Blue and yellow do mix to make green, but this is a new green.
You see, I'm yellow.
And I'm close to blue. So,
together-
You can make a fresh new green. Cool.
Wanna see something else cool?
Yes.
Magenta!
Yellow!
Ta-da! Now you can really see what the printing crew can do.
Oh, look! When cyan, magenta and yellow mix together, they make black.
That's right, Green. But it's the hardest colour to mix because we all have to colour the same spot.
It can get a bit messy.
Do it again, please!
OK, printing crew, let's mix!
Oh, no! I'm out of cyan!
And I'm worn out. Phew! It's a lot of work to mix black.
We've used so much ink. I don't think we can mix anymore.
Who is that?
I'm Brown! Down to earth, that's me. I'm an adventurer and a colour explorer. And now that I've found you, I've earned my Colour Explorer badge.
Wowzers!
It's great to meet you. And you're right about the tree. Brown and green go well together.
Yes, I know all about the woods. Ooh, I'll give you a tour. This way! Here's a big brown branch. And that's a big brown bear. This way!
Which way did they go?
We seem to have lost the others. Come on, Black. Let's find them. Oh, it's a wooden bridge. Brown must have missed it. Whoa, look. We mixed something. Dark orange, which looks like brown. Oh, brown is dark orange. Orange and black mixed to make brown.
The tree trunks are brown, so they must have come this way.
Oh, mud! I love mud.
And we coloured it. We mixed a dark colour.
It looks like the tree trunks. A sort of brown.
How about a blue banana?
Bananas aren't blue, they're yellow.
Shall we try it?
What? Colour it a silly colour?
Why not? It'll be funny.
Blue.
Blue. blue bananas are very strange.
Whoa! Come here, blue banana! Look,
Blue bananas are so funny.
Phew! I think I'll stick with yellow bananas. At least they don't chase you.
I think it's time for some more silly colouring.
Yes! Let's see what other things we can colour differently.
Let's do it. Look, I'm going to colour these strawberries yellow.
Exciting! Me next! Red! Ooh. Look! The red grass is bouncy!
Yippee!
Woohoo! Let's try some bright green clouds! Green!
Silly colouring makes me happy.
Whoa.
I'm hungry again!
Picnic this way.
It's a colourful world! It's a colourful world! It's a colourful world!
It's a colourful world, it's a world of colour. And where would we be without pink? The colour of seashells, carnations and cake. You'll always find me in a strawberry shake. It's my favourite drink. It's a colourful world. And where would we be without pink?
It's a colourful world, it's a world of colour. And where would we be without brown? The colour of boxes and chocolate spread, my toasty brown socks and my tasty brown bread. And when the leaves fall down, it's a colourful world. And where would we be without brown?
And where would we be without red and blue?
Yellow and green and purple too.
Where would we be without orange and pink and brown?
But this is just the start. There's a whole other part you can do.
Why stop at the rainbow when a colour adventure is waiting for you?
There are millions of colours for you to discover, more than you could ever have known. It's a colourful world, so why not make some colours of your own? Exciting!
Blue. Bright blue. Dark blue.
Let's get sorting!
This skateboard is light blue.
This scooter is dark blue.
3 blue cars, but which one's the bright one? This one's light blue, and this is dark blue. So this one's bright blue.
Huh. We've sorted everything into 3 types of blue.
Light, bright, and dark. Let's go!
Red means stop.
What's the problem, friends?
We've had a high-energy dressing-up party. Hats, boots, and socks. Some orange.
Some green,
And some purple.
Some in light colours.
some in bright colours.
And some in dark colours. We got them all muddled up.
Whoa, that's a big sorting job. A job for the Sorting Express. Let's get
This sock is purple. Light purple.
I believe this hat is a bright colour. Bright orange.
This is green. Yep, bright green.